NECOA's technology is rooted in COA's unwavering dedication to water expertise.
The amount of water filtered by COA over 35 years could fill 44,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools, which is equivalent to 220 billion 16.9-ounce plastic water bottles, approximately 29 billion gallons.
This is not just the amount of water, it is the scale of change that we are creating. This is why 10 million households across 50 countries around the world have chosen COA.
Founded in 1989 with a passion for water, COA has been exploring the infinite possibilities of water for 35 years, enriching the world with its expertise and technology.
Our research center, certified by the WQA and TUV, analyzes over 20,000 water samples collected from more than 40 countries around the world.
These samples are processed and analyzed by a team of over 50 experts, resulting in customized filters tailored to the specific water conditions of each country. In a word, filter verification is masterclass.
That's right. We examine every aspect of product quality, including the effectiveness of contaminant removal, the durability of components, and even the operational noise level. Through this comprehensive process, we have perfected a filter system capable of thoroughly purifying any type of water.
But, do you think all filters are created equal?
No. Our filter is more than just a filter.
RO filters remove particles as small as tens of thousands of a human hair's width, eliminating over 80 harmful contaminants.
Water purifier filters have received certification from the prestigious WQA, a leading authority on water quality in U.S. The RO Direct Water System, providing pure water on demand, is a proprietary technology exclusive to COA, reflecting our high standards.
Now, let's dive into the filter itself to see its purification process in action.
First, when dark soda is passed through the RO filter system, it's purified into clean water.
The same effect can be seen with orange juice. You can see the orange juice being purified into clean water.
The same goes for detergent.
Wow, it must be so clean and delicious.
Moreover, when we examine the TDS level of this water, it measures less than 20.
In addition to the RO filter system, the NanoTrap system is another excellent option, allowing for selection based on the quality of the source water.
Unless the area is heavily polluted, such as those near farms or industrial, we recommend the NanoTrap filter for its excellent filtration performance and fast filtration speed.
Let's see how fast it purifies. The NanoTrap filter provides purified water instantly, filling everything from cups to pitchers to large pots in a flash.
The taste of this rigorously filtered water speaks for itself.
COA's technology makes even a simple glass of water better. Through innovation of integrating IT technology, NECOA's water has now become even smarter.
Monitor filter usage in real time through our smart app. And when it's time for a replacement, delivery is automatically scheduled. Filter management just got a lot easier.
This is just the start of our technology. Built-in sensors continuously monitor the system internally, performing self-diagnostics to ensure consistently clean water.
Both UV care and internal cleaning are performed automatically, so you can enjoy peace of mind when it comes to your water. Because Smart Water Purifier takes care of everything for you.
But COA's innovation doesn't stop there. Our quest for cleaner water continues.
To provide clean and safe water worldwide, and be a name that makes everyday life more special.
Experience all of COA's innovative technology in one. NECOA, water as you wish.